Hello everyone, myself Madhumita, Assistant Professor, Saundarya Institute of Management and Science. In today's lecture I am going to discuss about Gray-Batch normal form from theory of computation, one of the important topic in theory of computation. So, let us see the first normal form of Gray-Batch normal form, we call it as GNF also, that is A tends to, if my grammar or if my production is in this form, that is A tends to A alpha, where A is your terminal and alpha is your non-terminal or variable including epsilon also. Or it can be written in this way also, that is A tends to, my production if it is in A tends to alpha, A1, A2 to An, where your alpha is terminal and A to An, A1 to An is your variable. If it is you have n number of variable, then it can be in this form, or else it can be A tends to alpha also without any variable, only terminal value, single terminal value will be there. We will call this form as that particular grammar is in my Gray-Batch normal form, that is GNF. Okay. In this lecture we are covering conversion of context free grammar, a given grammar we are going to convert it into Gray-Batch normal form, that is before converting it into Gray-Batch normal form we have to remember few points, like you have to, your given grammar should be simplified form, that means it should not have any useless symbol, it should not have any epsilon production, and even unit symbol should not be there. Apart from that, your grammar should be in Chomsky normal form. So, first we will see what is your Chomsky normal form, that is if your grammar, if your production is in form of A tends to BC, that means if your grammar has two variable, that means two non-terminal or variable, or else one terminal, that is A tends to A, small a means terminal, capital letter indicates variables, either it can have two variables or one single terminal. If your grammar is in this form, we call it as it is in my Chomsky normal form. So, let us see this, how we can convert our grammar to Gray-Batch normal form with one example. Okay. Our given problem is like convert the following grammar in Gray-Batch normal form. This is my given grammar. We have to convert it into Gray-Batch normal form. What is this? S tends to A, B, 1 or 0. Here A tends to 00, A or B. B tends to 1A, 1. So, first of all what we have to think? We have to think that it should be in simplified form. There should not be any useless symbol. If we observe, there is no useless symbol. Second step is it should not have any epsilon production. If it is there, we have to eliminate it. We do not have anywhere epsilon production also. Then third step, we have to check with unit symbol, unit production. Here we do not have unit production, means variable, single variable should not be there. So, here we have in A tends to B, we have one unit production, elsewhere we do not have anywhere else our unit production. So, we have to first eliminate this unit production. How to eliminate? We will substitute the value of B here, then it will be like this, A tends to, in this place we will substitute this B value, that is it will be written as it is, and this B value will be substituted with this. So my value of my production rule for A will become, that is 00A or A1A1. This will be my new production after removal of my unit production. Then we will not consider this, we will just consider everywhere this production. Then we have simplified our grammar. Now we should see that it should be in my Chomsky normal form. What was my Chomsky normal form? This is my Chomsky normal form, that is A tends to BC or A tends to A. That is either two variable, two non-terminal should be there or single terminal should be there. So, we will check. S tends to, we have two variable, one terminal, that is two non-terminal, one terminal we have, and other value of my S is one terminal. Here it is not in form of my Chomsky normal form, we will have to convert it. How to convert? What we will do? This I can't remove anything, but I can substitute it. So, how we will do? We will convert this S AB1, this will convert, this terminal value will replace this with, say for example, I will replace with C1, 1 will be replaced with C1. So, it will look like ABC1. Okay. Now, still it is not in form of my Chomsky normal form, I should have only two variables, but we have here three variables. What we will do? We will club any two. Okay. So, I can rename it with some variable, that is say D1. Okay. So, it will be like A D1. Now, if we see S tends to A D1, now we have two variables. Now, it is my S is also in form of Chomsky normal form, S tends to A D1 and 0. So, now my S is completely in Chomsky normal form. Now, we will see another one, that is A. For A we will check. A tends to, we have 00, that is two terminal, one non-terminal. So, which is, will not consider this A, will consider this A. So, we have here two terminal and one non-terminal, which is not allowed. What we will do? Again we will replace this 0 C0 with 0 with C0. So, it will look like C0 and A. Okay. Then again we will club this, because it is not in Chomsky normal form, we will club any two with some other name, that is C0A tends to, if I replace with D2, so it will look like D0 C0 D2. Now, we have two variables. Now, my this A, this production is in my Chomsky normal form. Then we will see another production, that is A tends to 1A1. Again it is not in form of my Gray-Bach Chomsky normal form. It will, how we have to convert it, this 1, already we have taken a variable for this 1, we will replace this 1 with C1 only. So, it will look like 1A1, this is my production, this 1 will be replaced with C1, A, C1. Now, we have here three variables, we should have only two variable, again we will club this, any two. So, we will club this with AC1 tends to, say for example D3, I have replaced with, I will replace this with D3, C1, D3. Now, we have two variables. Now, this is also in my Chomsky normal form. We will see third one, that is B. Now, we will see our next production, that is B tends to 1A1 was there, will, it is, since it is not in Chomsky normal form, we will replace 1 already we have considered with C1, A, C1. Okay. Again we have three variables, instead of 3 we will make it 2 variable by combining AC1. Already in our previous we have used this AC1 as D1, D3, it was D3, so we will replace with the same value, that is D3. So, now all the production rules are converted into Chomsky normal form. I will write the resultant one, that is S tends to AD1 and 0, A tends to it is C0 D2 and C1 D3 and it is B tends to C1 D3. Now this is my resultant converted grammar which is in Chomsky normal form. Till now we have not converted in our grammar into Gray-Bach normal form. Now from here whatever steps will follow, because now my given grammar is in Chomsky normal form, will start converting it into Gray-Bach normal form. So for that our first step is we have to rename all variables. So and from left to right we have to start, that is you can replace with any name. We have written all the converted Gray-Bach form in one place, that is what all we have substituted, those values also we have written, that is D3 tends to AC1, what we have replaced, C1 tends to 1, D1 tends to BC1, C0 tends to 0, D2 tends to C0A. So these all variable we have taken, we have added new variables, productions to convert our given grammar into Chomsky normal form. Now we will replace these all with these all variable with some other, we will rename our variables, that is all variable S tends to A1, A tends to A2, B tends to B3, A3, C0 we have C0 C1, so C0 with A4, C1 with A5, D1 with BC1, D2 with C0A, D1 with A6, D2 with A7, D3 with A8. We will rename these all variable with the given variable. So after substituting, after renaming this variable, we will get like this, that is A1 for S tends to A2 is for A, D1 is for A6, like that we will convert, we will rename our complete grammar. After completing, we will check whether we have any left recursion, that means whether we have here left side as well as right side same variable. We will see, no, we do not have same variable name, we do not have anywhere same variable name. If we do not have, that means we do not have left recursion. We will move for conversion of Chomsky normal, Gray-Bach normal form, that is now we should think which production we have to consider first for replacement. We will perform Gray-Bach normal form by using substitution method. We will substitute, but which variable we should consider first for substitution we will see, that is A1, A2. Here we have A2, A4. So always if your index value in left side and right side, if left side is lesser and right side is more, we will leave those production rule. Where it is reverse, we will consider that for production, that is A3, A5. It is also in form, here we do not have. Then A6, A3. Here we have in left side index value is more, right side index value is less. So we will consider first this production for conversion. So what is this? A6 tends to A3, A5. So what we will use here, A3 will be substituted, we will check what is its production value, we will substitute my A3 with that production rule. What is A3? We have A3 as A5, A8. This A3 will be substituted with A5, A8 and remaining A5 as it is we will write. Let us see whether now it has been converted. We should get first terminal value for our Gray-Bach normal form. So here still we did not get. What we will do? Again we will substitute this A5 with its production. What is A5? 1. So, which is terminal value 1, A8, A5. Now, my A6 is in my Gray-Batch normal form. Now, we will see another production, that is A7, A4. Yes, we have to consider here also, because we have lesser value A4. So, A7 for this production will perform substitution method A4, A2. What we will do? Again, the first variable will be substituted with its value. What is A4 value? A4 value is 0. So, we will substitute this with 0 and as it is A2. Now, my A7 is in my Gray-Batch normal form. So, this will be my resultant. Next is next production we will see, that is A8 tends to A2, A5. A2 is again lesser than my A8. So, A8 tends to A2, A5. A2, A5. So, we will substitute this A2. What is the production value of A2? A2 we have this. So, we will substitute this A2 with A4, A7, and here we have A5, A8. This is the value of my A2. We have substituted this A2 with the given production of my A2. Now, along with this we have A5 also. So, both the places A5 will be added. Both the places A5 will be added. Now, let us see whether it is in form. No, still it is not in form of Gray-Batch. Again, we will substitute this A4 and A5 with its production. What is A4? A4 is 0, A5 is 1. So, it is 0, A4 is 0, and here remaining as it is we will write. This A5 production is 1, you can see here it is 1. So, you will write here 1, it is A8, A5. So, now we can see, now this is in form of my Gray-Batch normal form. Okay. Now, we have got A8 also. Now, we got A8 also. Now, which all production is converted into Gray-Batch normal form? My A8 is converted, A7 is converted, A6 is converted, these two are already there, A4, A5 is already there. Now, we have A3. Now, we will look after A1, A2 and A3. We will take A3, A3 tends to A5, A8. Now, we will substitute this A5 with its production, that is A5 is 1, 8. Now, my A3 came in the form of Gray-Batch normal form. Next, we have A2. For A2 we have, that is A4, A7, A5, A8. Now, again we will convert the value with A4, A5. A4 was my 0, A7, and A5 is 1, A8. So, now this also A2 is also in my Gray-Batch normal form. Now, we have A1. A1 tends to A2, A6. And this is 0. So, we will substitute my A2 over here. So, A2 is substituted. What is my A2 value? What we got? A2 is this one, that is we will get 0, A7 and here 1, A8. Okay. Along with this we have A6 also. So, here we will get A6. And here also we have A6. So, now form of my A1 is, A1 tends to 0, A7, A6 and 1, A8, A6. And here it is 0. This is the value of my A1. If we rewrite this, it will look like this. I will write all the production. resultant production in sequence are A1 tends to, by resultant what we got, converted form A, A7, A6, 1, A8, A6 and 0. This is my A1. A2 is, what we got A2? A2 we got 0, A7 and 1, A8. This is my A2. A3 we got that is 1, A8. A4 we got, that is we have already A4 tends to 0, A5 tends to 1. A6 we got, that is this one, A6 tends to 1, A8, A5, A7 we got, that is 0, A2, A8 we got, that is 0, A7, A5, 1, A8, A5. So, this is our resultant. This is my converted grammar into Gray-Bach normal form. Now, you can see all production will be in my Gray-Bach normal form. That is A1, that is variable. This is terminal followed by non-terminal, terminal followed by non-terminal or single terminal. Here also variable. This is terminal, non-terminal, terminal, non-terminal. Again for this variable also terminal, non-terminal, like this we can observe here also everywhere it is in form. Now that means this is the resultant of our given grammar into Gray-Bach normal form. Hope these concept will be clear to you. Thank you.